아름다워. One, two, three, four. 너무 많은 걸 저 하늘 땅만큼 사랑해. 랄랄라. 이젠 말해볼게. 내가 널 지켜줄게.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. MSME tax is one of the state's revenue sectors. MSME players have an obligation to pay a certain amount of tax to state treasury as a form of compliance with existing regulations. However, lately we often encounter several problems experienced by taxpayers in making tax payments. So, what are the problems experienced? Let's discuss it with me, Fania, on the program Tax Talk. I have been accompanied by Ms. Alvina, one of the Surakarta City Tax Consultant employees. Good afternoon, Ms. Alvina.
Hello, good afternoon.
And next to her is Ms. Mutiara, an employee of the Indonesian Directorate General of Taxes. Good afternoon, Ms. Mutiara.
Good afternoon.
Okay, straight away, Ms. Mutiara, can you explain to our viewers before we talk about the MSME tax rebate, what exactly is the MSME tax?
Okay, actually, MSME or micro, small, and medium enterprises is a term that exists in the tax regulation. So, in the tax regulation, we are familiar with taxpayer with central gross turnover, namely with a total turnover of up to 4.8 billion a year, which is included in the MSME criteria.
Oh, so to be included in the MSME criteria, you must first have a gross income of up to 4.8 billion, right?
Yes, that's right.
Next, how much is the tax rate imposed on taxpayers who meet this criteria? Maybe Ms. Alvina can explain.
So, for the tax rate imposed on MSMI taxpayer themselves based on Tax Regulation Number 55 of 2022, the period of imposition of the 0.5% final income tax rate is valid for 7 years for individual taxpayer and 4 years for corporate taxpayers.
So, the tax rate is 0.5% for both personal and corporate taxpayers. As we know, lately there is a lot of news related to the number of MSME taxpayers who have difficulties related to tax payments. For that, directly now, I have connected with Desi as a reporter there directly. Desi, please.
Well, thank you, Vania. I am currently in one of the shopping centers in the city of Surakarta, precisely at Klewer Market. Klewer Market itself is a fabric and clothing shopping center that is quite famous and has many enthusiasts from various regions, not only Surakarta residents. Right away, I'm with Mr. Bagas, who is one of the merchants at Klewer Market. Good afternoon, Mr. Bagas.
Good afternoon.
Speaking of taxes, have you paid your taxes so far?
Yes, I have done it.
Okay, can you tell us what are the difficulties you usually face?
Of course, there are. I don't really understand taxation. So, in the process of paying tax, there are some kind of reporting form that need to be submitted. Sometimes I find difficult to understand the correct procedure. Ordinary people like me just want to pay tax, but the process is so complicated. Calculating the tax is also difficult.
Well, thank you, sir, for your time. Okay, it was a little interview related to the tax problems experienced with Mr. Bagas. As one of the traders at Klewer Market, People and Vania. Then I return to the Vania in the studio.
Okay, thank you, Desi. As we found from the interview earlier, there are problems faced by traders, one of which related to tax reporting and calculations. Maybe the first one is related to calculation. What do you think, Miss Alvina?
Indeed, traders often experience difficulties related to tax calculations, especially since there have been several changes in regulations related to tax rates imposed. Maybe this is the one of the causes.
Is there any solution that you can offer as a tax consultant, especially to these taxpayers?
There are several solutions that might be always related to this problem. The first one is to always be up to date related to tax regulation that have been informed by related parties. And then the second one is that taxpayer can consult related to the calculation problem to the people who are expert in their fields, as well as to us tax consultants. Maybe those two things I can confirm.
Okay, so the first one is up to date. The second one is consulting with experts. Yes, continuing with the second problems related to tax reporting. How do you respond, Mutiara?
Related to reporting which involves a letter are known as tax declaration letter. It has now been made easier with the existence of online reporting through the DJP application which can be accessed via cell phone. So actually, the traders no longer need to do manual reporting, so this is a problem for them. For this step, maybe it can be seen through video pages such on YouTube which already providing many tutorials.
Okay, so now it has been made easier. There is no need to bother to come or fill in manually, right?
Yes, that's right.
Well, it turns out that there are many solutions that can be done actually, but maybe the information that is least spread is constrained by these traders. Thank you in advance to Alvina and Mutiara for taking the time to come to this event.
Okay, you're welcome. You're welcome.
That's our conversation today, audience. See you on the next episode of Text Talk, and goodbye.